Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your address in the Bank of America mobile app so your account information stays up to date. To get started, open the Bank of America mobile app and log into your account using your user ID and passcode. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, usually shown as 3 lines or a profile icon. From the menu, select Profile and Settings or Personal Information. Next, look for an option that says Contact Information or Address Information and tap on it. Here, you'll see the current address Bank of America has on file for you. Tap Edit or Update Address, then enter your new address details. Double-check everything for accuracy, including your zip code and state. After entering the new address, review the changes and submit them. Bank of America may ask you to verify your identity using a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once confirmed, your address update will be saved, and the new address will be applied to your Bank of America accounts. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you change your address in the Bank of America app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.